Hey, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope that you'll be staying with us and become part of our family. So today I will be doing something a little unexpected. We are going to be installing these strip lashes, but as individual lashes. Want to know how I get that done? Keep watching the video, and while you're here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get to the video. So first things first, these are the things that you are going to need. You are going to need some strip lashes. I just got these Eylure ones from Discount. I think I bought these at Discount. So you'll just need some strip lashes. You will need some glue. You know that this is my favorite one that I love to use from Kiss. And you will need a pair of scissors to cut the strip lashes, as well as tweezers for the application. The reason why I'm doing this in the first place is because I have not been finding my lashes, the ones that I normally use from Essence. I have not been finding them for a very long time now. I think the last time I was able to find them was a few months back, last year, you know. And then a girl had to do what a girl had to do. So here's a little hack to show you how we're gonna get this done. Okay, so I'm done cutting up the lashes. I've just separated them into small pieces like this. I don't know if you can see. Now, don't forget the order in which you cut the lashes. I just normally cut them from the one end to the other end, and I lay them down in that exact order, because now you don't want to get your lashes jumbled up, right? So I'm going to try to lift this up and show you what they look like right now, but my fear is that they're all just going to fall over. I don't know how we're going to do this. I don't know if you guys can see. So I've lined them all up. I don't know if you guys can see this. I've lined them all up, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue onto the container. Just a nice blob. And then I'm about to start the application process. You already know what that means. If you've seen my previous lash installation video, you'll know what we're about to do. So we'll get our tweezers. I'm going to start at the outer end and work my way towards the inner corner of my eye. So I'm going to start with the very end piece. I'm going to grip it with my tweezer, dip it into the glue, and apply it. So to make that easier for me, I will be using my mirror that is here in front of me. So that's what I'm going to be looking at right now. So I've just applied my glue, and now and boom, we have our first one positioned in place. I will continue to do the rest, but I'll probably speed past this so that it doesn't become redundant. So let's go. So now that we're done with this side, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. We're going to cut them into smaller pieces, lay them out in the correct order, and then apply them one by one. The lashes are in. They don't look like strip lashes. It was literally that easy. I do hope that you guys enjoyed this little hack, this little quick tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please press the like button. Please comment down below and let me know what other hacks or what other videos you'd like to see from my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and as always, I love you tons. Bye.
Hey. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. One day we will shine for eternity. Turn into a light, we are infinite energy. We'll be free from the pain and the enemy. Fly away and turn into a beautiful memory. Lift up high places, then we give thanks to high places. We deserve it all, that's high places. Let us toast up, it'll lift the vibration.